Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the app or website and signing in because changing a screen name requires an active session. Once signed in, navigate directly to Profile or Account Settings. Do not search elsewhere. You want the Display Name, or Personal Info section. Select it now. If a verification step appears, complete it immediately so you can edit. Make sure you have your new name ready and follow on-screen field rules. This avoids errors and saves time. Now type the new screen name into the provided field, paying attention to length and allowed characters because platforms differ. Once entered, preview how it will appear publicly. Watch spacing and capitalization so it reads correctly. If the system shows availability or conflicts, try variants or add numbers. Click Save or Apply. If a confirmation modal appears, accept it. After saving, check your public profile and any linked displays to ensure the change propagated across devices and services. You finish by verifying the new screen name across devices and refreshing or clearing cache if the old name persists. Sometimes mobile apps need a force reload. If the platform blocks your change, review name policies, frequency limits, reserved or banned words, and similarity rules often cause rejections. Once reviewed, try a compliant variation. If issues continue, contact support and provide your account ID, timestamp, and screenshots so they can quickly resolve the problem for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.